So, you've started working, or maybe it's just been a while. Many people are telling you that insurance is important. It's a must-have financial product. There's certainly no lack of horror story of how people get sick without insurance and how bad it is. But the idea of putting aside your hard-earned money every month for something that may not even happen just doesn't feel right. So, must you really buy insurance? Well, actually... Hi, welcome back to Mr. Money TV, your favorite financial edutainment channel, bringing you financial education and entertainment all at the same time. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get updated with our latest video. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. So, whether you're watching this because you're considering if you need to buy an insurance plan or you already have an insurance plan, but you're wondering if you should cancel it to save up your money, this video is for you, so watch till the end and I hope it will help you with your decision. Nonetheless, I would like to clarify that this is not a recommendation to buy or sell any financial product. It's just my own personal opinion that I would like to share with you. While many people tell us that insurance is extremely important and we need to have insurance. If not, it's gonna be bad when something happens. But in my opinion, you don't need insurance if number one, you don't need insurance if you are born super rich, like a billionaire rich, and your family business can continuously generate income without your presence. Well, insurance is to make sure that you or your family will not have any financial troubles from medical bill or loss of income. So if you are born a billionaire and $1 million of medical bill does not affect your financials, then you don't need health insurance to pay the medical bills. And secondly, since your presence is not needed to continuously generate income, it really doesn't affect you or your family financials if you lose the ability to work, right? So if that's you, you don't need insurance at all. In fact, at this level, insurance is more of a good to have rather than need. I know multimillionaires who buy insurance not because they need the benefit of the payout, but for various reasons. Like they just don't want to pay the medical bills from their own pocket, some for tax purposes, and some for creating private trusts, and some just want to diversify their risk. But either way, they don't need to buy insurance, they just want to buy it for certain purposes. Well, if you are not born a billionaire but you are on the way to become one, you may or may not need to buy insurance. Want to find out? Just ask yourself these two questions. Number one, if I lose the ability to work for 5 years starting from tomorrow, will I or my family face any financial difficulty? If the answer is no, you don't need it, so don't sweat. The second question, if I'm sick and I need money for medical treatment, I or someone will and can certainly pay for all my medical bills and still face no financial difficulties. If that's the case, then screw it! You don't need insurance at all! Number two, you don't need insurance if you will never ever have any health problems. If you are perfectly healthy and fit and somehow have developed the ability to stay the same throughout your lifetime, you don't need insurance. Insurance is a need only for people who have the possibility of getting sick and need to pay medical bills or will lose the ability to work due to illness. Well, you won't get the full benefits of insurance plan if you can never get sick and never die, right? Well, if that's the case, then the only benefit that you can get is probably tax deduction. So, you really don't need insurance if that's the case. Because you can always continue to work and generate income for yourself and for your family. So there will never be any financial issues other than career problem or getting fired. However, unfortunately, I think there is no such insurance for getting fired in Malaysia. I believe there are such insurance in other countries. Anyway, just certainly you don't need health insurance or critical illness insurance or life insurance since it's irrelevant because you will never get sick, you will never get health problem, you will never die. Unless you want to just get some tax deduction, then don't waste your money. Oh yeah, I forgot. You also have to be immune to injury by accident because although you will never get sick, accidents do happen. I remember this saying from a friend of mine. You will never wake up knowing that you will have an accident that day. So far, it's true for me. I've had many accidents, especially car accidents, but not once I predicted it happening in the morning. Anyway, if your immunity is only for natural diseases, but you can be injured in an accident, you need to make sure that you have the ability to predict accident accurately and able to avoid them totally. Then you don't need insurance at all. The fact is, if you have developed this, you are immune to death, and diseases and injury, I am sure that you're almost certainly going to be a billionaire and money will never be a problem. You don't need insurance for that reason too. Number 3, you don't need insurance if que sera, sera, whatever will be, will be. Well, insurance is only needed if you care, if there's a health problem or inability to work that cause financial difficulty. Now, you may not be rich or immune to diseases or death or injury, but you are aware of the risks and so on. But you may have some sort of a backup plan, or you just don't mind having any financial difficulty. It simply doesn't matter to you. You believe that this kind of problem will somehow be taken care of, whether by God or just luck. Well, if that's you, that's a choice that you don't need insurance because you simply don't have to be financially stable or in control. There's nothing wrong if you don't care about financial stability, and as long as it doesn't cause any inconvenience to the others, don't let other people tell you that it is wrong. Well, it's your choice and your responsibility to decide what are you going to do with your own financial planning. Your money, your life, you decide and you live with it. So these are the 3 reasons that you don't need to buy insurance, and these are the 3 reasons that are on top of my head now. Some of you may agree or disagree with these 3 reasons, but anyway, if you think I've missed out on any reason, do share with us on the comment, or if you have any opinion, do share with us in the comment below as well. And for those of you who don't have any of the 3 of the above, insurance is likely a need for you. So do stay updated because we will share with you what are the 3 kinds of insurance that you must have. See you next time.